Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here. Finally, we received the product from DT number 1, as you can see here from the packaging. And we have one of the latest and one of the most popular Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market. What we have here, what do we expect here is a DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. We already opened the box here, but we still haven't checked if the design of the wearable. So this time we are going to unbox and check the wearable from DT number 1. It is one of the latest and one of the most popular Watch Ultra Clone Smartwatch. So let's check it out. And if you have any questions regarding this video, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we already opened the box here. Okay, and we have here, let's check, the smartwatch from DT number 1. Okay, so we have here the support app, the website of the DT number 1, and of course a beautiful packaging here for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, obviously as you can see here, we have NFC support and we have the Wear Pro support app. So nothing else, there's no details here. Okay, so let's check. Again, if you have any questions about the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we really do have a high expectations on the smartwatch based on the promotional images and other video reviews for the smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a 49mm smartwatch. Okay, it is a 1:1 ratio, okay, with the original Ultra Watch clone smartwatch. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's check. And we have here finally the smartwatch. Seems like, as you can see here, it looks beautiful. Smartwear links people and the world. Okay, let's remove this. And we have here a user manual, professionally designed. Okay, so we have the manual here available in English, and let's check what are other languages here. And we have the Chinese. Okay, we have the QR code, and we have here, obviously this is a menu options. Okay, different menu options. Okay, we have the magnetic charging cable. Okay, again, the contents are the user manual, there's a magnet to it, and it is a wireless charging cable. Okay, and we have here the beautiful smartwatch, a 49mm smartwatch, and as you can see here, it's a bit big. Seems like it's the original. Let me show you the 45mm version. Okay, so there's a very big difference on the size. Okay, as you can see here. So let's check at the back. As expected, this is what I want. There's a strap lock feature here. Okay, compared to our 45mm here, that it is similar to other series 7 and 8 that you only have to slide the strap. Okay, it's not tightly secure, but this one, as you can see here, we do have a lock. Okay, so let's remove this one to see the beauty of the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. So let's try to appreciate the design here. And as you can see here, it is professionally designed. Okay, Sports made in China, healthy lifestyle. It looks premium. Okay. Wow, nice. Beautiful finish. Beautiful strap here. Okay. And much better. Okay. Button here. Okay, very obvious. And we have a grilled speaker here. Okay. Nice. I like the design here. Okay, it looks beautiful. It looks like the real deal. Okay. And I also like this strap here, as you can see. Okay. So it looks premium. Okay, honestly, it really looks premium. Okay. Beautiful strap. I think I'm going to buy a strap for this one. Let's see if we can buy a third-party strap. Okay. So let's check the dimensions of this. So I have here some measuring tool. Okay. Later on, we are going to check on the display. Okay. So it is a 49mm smartwatch. So let's check. Okay, yes. And for the thickness here, there's a bit of weight to it. Okay. So it's 9.0. You can really feel that this is much more premium compared to other models. Okay. So for the weight, we have 00 here. Let's attach this strap first. So we have here 64.04. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me wear it. I'm excited to wear it and see whether it will fit nicely in our wrist. Okay, so let's try. And we'll also check the bezel of the wearable. Okay, let's check. Nice. I like the style of this one. I like the feel of it. Okay, so for the specs here, so let's check. So we have here in our website the specifications here. 49 by 43 by 11.5. Okay, so 11.5, I think the uh, sensor is also included here. Okay, although it says it's 46 grams, maybe the body. Okay, but with the strap, it is around 60. We do have a zinc alloy. We have a 2.0-inch IPS LCD screen with a 420 by 485 pixel resolution. Okay, 5.0, and we have a lot of sensors here, as you can see. Okay, so it's a fully featured pack smartwatch with 5 days of battery life. Okay, again, let's have a short comparison with a 45mm here. Okay, so as you can see here. Okay, so different style, much smaller. This one, it is a 1:1, 1:1 ratio with the original one. Okay, and it says it has a 2.0-inch okay display with a 420 by 485 pixel resolution. Okay, so let's have a closer look. We have here the crown button, very obvious pill shape button, much bigger. Okay, see it here. there's a very obvious difference when it comes to size. Okay, at the back we have here the lock. Okay, we have here the another orange button, as you can see here. So if you're going for the ultra clone and you have a budget, go for the much better or 49mm size. So they say you have to press this and you can remove this strap. Okay, so I'm not really familiar with this. Anyway, I'm going to check it. Okay, I still don't know how to remove this one. I'm going to try it later on how to attach and disattach the strap based on the strap locked here. Okay, so let's remove the cover here. So I'm just going to turn it on first and see whether we do have the battery, still have battery left or not. If not, I'm going to charge it. Okay, first. Okay, so seems like we still have a juice left. Okay, beautiful screen display here, very sharp, and we have what do you call this one? Okay, an always on display feature, an AOD. Okay, so let's try. Let's change the watch face so we can see the bezel here. So far it is very sharp, very high end, very good quality. Okay, so there's at least several watch faces here. Okay, so there's no watch face that we can really see the bezel here. Okay, but we do have a very slim bezel, both left and right. Okay, very sharp image here, as you can see. 2.0 inch with a 420 by 485 pixel resolution. Okay, so you can check the specifications here. Okay, so far first impression, it is very well built. It looks elegant, it looks premium for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so it is one of the contender in the ultra category. Okay, so check the specs of this in our website, and of course the DT1 website. Just check the links below on our description. Again, the contents are the smartwatch, the wireless charging cable, and the user manual. Okay, so, and of course it is using the new Wear Pro app, available in iOS and Android. Okay, so check out the specs again for this wearable, including the battery and the processor. It's here. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.